Where's your foot? There's your foot. Where's your foot? Ah, I'm covering my ears. Goonie. Where's your foot? Oh, it's right there. You better stop kicking me with that foot. Don't you bite your toe. You better stop it. You better stop it. No. Don't you do it. Don't you bite your toe. Boy. Say ew. Say ew. Yucky. Yucky. What you doing, J-ZILLA? Yeah, as usual. Not being very social today. He's playing video games all day, huh, Bubba? Huh, LITTLE-ZILLA? Huh, LITTLE-ZILLA? But you always got your foot. You always got your foot. LITTLE-ZILLA, what are you doing? Are we at the grocery store? Huh? Are we at the grocery store? So we're getting ready to go on our vacation tomorrow. As soon as I get off work. And right now we're running to the grocery store grabbing everything we need for this like 5 days in the trip that we're gonna go on. We're gonna go to SeaWorld, and I'm gonna end up at the end of the vacation, I'll be getting a tattoo on my back. So yay! Okay, we're looking for crack. Let's see. We have our road trip starting tomorrow, so we gotta buy as much of this as possible. And there's only 3 boxes of it. 3 boxes. We're gonna need like 10 boxes of this. That's not enough. We must find more crack. Booty snacks.